Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god. Ay, Dios mío, bro. Feliz Navidad, todo el mundo. Ay, Dios mío, bro. Ay, I knew how hard it is, bro. Let's fucking go. Oh, I flipped the duel, bro, at the ending. Let's fucking go. My fucking nerves, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. We fucking did it. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Yes, okay, I got this. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. Black Blizzard, 100%, bro. Possibly new hardest, I guess. New hardest non-memory, okay? This is my hardest that is not a memory level, so I have a new hardest in a way, so let's go. B of the Alphabet Trilogy is done. Moving on to C, bro. Let's check attempt counts. 5,274 from here, at least. Fluke from 71. Oh my god. I even fluked the one ship ball part. That duel. I fluked that somehow. Cause that I was so inconsistent with that part.